Hi, it's Mika Coleman, and today I want to talk about how you can really make some money in real estate without investing a dime. I know that sounds crazy because if I was looking at this video, I'd be like, okay, yeah, girl, right? But I want to tell you about a secret that I feel that has been kept for a long time out of the real estate community. Like I said, this channel is about tax deeds and overages, so if you are new to this channel, there's a lot of golden nuggets that you can uncover. If you're interested in knowing more and you're new to this industry, please click the link below. I actually have a free guide on tax deeds and overages just to give you a kind of idea of what tax deeds and overages are. And the reason why I combine them together is because I like my investors to have infinite return. When I was in my 20s, I had properties all over the United States, so I was property rich but cash poor. So I, after experiencing, being cash poor but property rich, and then I lost everything thinking I was going to retire when I was 30, I decided that if I ever was to invest in real estate again, number one, I don't want to leverage my personal credit or all my funds, and then number two, I did not ever want to have a mortgage on my investment properties. And so I am so passionate about this channel because now I own about 5 or 6 properties. I do have some that mortgages that are in California, but I own about 4 properties that I have no mortgages on. And so now my life is a lot easier. But what this video really is about is how you can start investing in real estate with $0. And that's right, I said with $0. And if you haven't heard, overages is a way that you can get into the real estate game without investing a dime but your time. And if you go and you click on, I have a playlist all about tax deed overages, some of the different steps and the tools that you can utilize on how to start collecting on overages. But also, I am having an overage cohort. And what that means is that I am going to teach you step by step on how to collect real claims. Now, the caveat to this is that a lot of times people can't find the claimant. So you might get a claimant that you can't find, and you might get a claimant that you can. But this is a real world stuff. Like, I'm not just giving you any kind of random list or random people. I am actually looking a list, sourcing a list, finding all the information that you need to actually collect a claimant. The lowest I think is like $5,000, but there are some $30,000 and there's some $40,000 claimants that you and I can collect together. So you're probably wondering, okay, well, what's in it for me? Well, what's in it for me is that we're gonna do a 50-50 split. But most importantly, I believe in learning and earning at the same time. So my goal is for you to earn while you learn. Sometimes people get claimants, sometimes they don't. But the caveat is that you're learning the process to do it in any other county. So if you want to know how to invest in real estate with $0, all you need to do is click the link below. I'm having an overage cohort that I'm going to walk you step by step each week. I'm going to give you homework on what to do so that you'll be able to do this in any county across the United States that actually has tax deed overages. And if you don't know what a tax deed overage is, please look at my video about what overages are. What are some of the, I have so much information on this channel, but if you want to get into the real estate game and you don't want to invest any of your money and you want something very low risk, overages, and I call them tax deed overages because they do have mortgage overages. I don't do mortgage overages. I only do tax deed overages. So if you're interested in wanting to get into real estate and make a 6-figure business without investing any of your money, but some of your time, click the link below, and I look forward to seeing you on November 14th. Happy investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, and click the link below. I also have a free guide if you're new to this channel and you want to know more information about tax deeds and overages. Happy investing.